Welcome back to this lecture on setting up billing alerts for your AWS resources. So in this lecture, we'll see how to set up a billing alert so that we do not overspend on our AWS resources. So as soon as you log into your console, just search for billing and cost management. So if you go into this console, right, in your left side, you can in the menu pane, you can see billing preferences. So once you go into billing preferences, just make sure like you have enabled CloudWatch billing alerts. So in my case, I have already enabled it for me. So yeah, nothing for me here. So once you have done this, right, you can just step back into like CloudWatch. So since I have already enabled that checkbox, right, you can see in the alarm section, I have a billing option. As I go into here, right, I can create an alarm. So the metric name used here is the estimated charges, and for a given period, right, I'm just selecting it as a 1 day. So I want to set up an alarm whenever my spend on AWS goes more than five USD dollars in a given day. So I have configured it as 5. And then what I other thing which I want to do is like whenever there is no data, right? If I am not spending any given amount of time, let's say $0, right? So I don't want it to be considered as a missing data. I want to consider it as a good data. So click on next, and for the configuring an email notification, right? You have to create an SNS topic. We'll discuss about this topic in deeper in some other videos. So you can provide a billing alarm topic, provide a relevant name in your case, and configure an email whatever you want. So in my case, I'm just configuring my email here. So as soon as you have configured these things, right, you can create this topic from here itself. So once you have created the topic, right, you can go down and click on next. So you can give the alarm like billing alert. Once everything is good and done, right, you can just preview the changes, whatever you have done, and if everything is good, right, just create the alarm. So this alarm is now created. So whenever my billing in a given day reaches more than $5, right, I'll be getting an email notification. So based on my email notification, right, I can log into my console and see what are the spends that I have done and how can I reduce them. Thank you all.